Hey there, it's Joyce M. Washington CPA here, and in this video I am going to give you a quick overview of the accounting portion of Wave Apps. Alright, well, last but not least on my software solutions favorite list is Wave Accounting or waveapps.com. Again, this one is my favorite for two reasons, because it's relatively simple to use and it is free. So, like the others, it's cloud-based, so of course I like it as well for that reason. So again, to get to Wave, you would just go to waveapps.com and you can sign up simply by, at this top bar, just go to Get Wave. Once you have done that, and it's pretty quick and easy to sign up and register. Once you have registered, then you would just go to that home page again and just sign in. And as you can see, you can sign up with your Google email address, or sign up and sign in with Google, or sign up and sign in with Yahoo instead of doing email and password. So that is like step one of the sign up process. Step two is just to add an account or select what your sign in path is, I think. So when you sign in, you just, again, like I said, you can sign in with Google or Yahoo or your email and password. So I've already signed into my account. Couple of things. As you noticed, this particular software is free, and it's free because, as you can see, this huge banner on the side for advertising. So that's pretty much how they pay for you to use it for free. And if you want to get to any of the savings and stuff, or get to their advertisers directly, you would just click this savings thing here. Like the other two, like Xero and FreshBooks, you get this handy dandy dashboard that has your bank account, your credit cards on the left, your setup tips, etc. on the left, and your KPIs or your snapshots that make it easy for you to figure out what's going on in your business. So as you can see, I pretty much stopped using FreshBooks. I stopped using Wave Accounting a while ago, so I don't have very many transactions in here, and I pretty much used it for testing. So at any rate, the financial snapshot you would see is your income and expenses, your payables, and who owes you. So the income invoices that are payable to you is green for money coming in, and bills that you owe are blue. And your net income, etc. And business expenses, this would be a pie chart. So instead of having your menu across the top, like a lot of them have, like for instance FreshBooks has it going across the top, the navigation bars for this is down the side. And again, like I said, it's pretty simple. Invoicing is simple. The bill payment is pretty simple. Sorry, it signed me out, so give me a second. Okay, so sorry about that. It had signed me out, so now I'm back in. So with invoices, like with FreshBooks, you can do, one-off invoices, or you can do recurring invoices. This is a new feature that they have. And you can also have your customers pay via PayPal, or you can, I think you can also have them pay via Stripe. See, we're partnered with Stripe. Stripe is a merchant service provider. I'll go over that in another video, but they are a merchant service provider, and they have simple pricing, so I do like them. As far as accepting payments within your business. So invoicing, like I said, is pretty straightforward, pretty simple to do. Bills are pretty straightforward and simple to do as well. And as you can see on my right, this is blank now, but you know, every now and again it does populate with a new ad. Receipts are new, and as far as I can tell, I don't think it's available in the other two programs that I suggest, but here you can just upload your receipts or email them to yourself. This is great so that you can kind of keep track of your payments, especially if you pay cash for a lot of things and you have receipts. You can upload them and categorize them, and they'll flow through to your reports. And accounting, I think, is just you know, your chart of accounts. So it's not, you know, it's not something or somewhere where you would be in there a whole lot. And journal transactions would be something that your bookkeeper or your accountant would be in. So that, you know, as a small business owner, you probably wouldn't be playing around with that a lot. And you know, the reports, again, they're not as robust as Xero or even as FreshBooks, but you do have, you know, the minimum reports that you would need, and the minimum reports that, you know, as your accountant or your advisor, I would suggest that you would be looking at. You know, you have access to a balance sheet, you have access to income statement and your age reports, as well as your general ledger. So, I mean, the typical minimum, you know, minimum reports are here for you to review. Also, they do offer payroll as a service, and this is Wave Payroll. So you would be able to get to this and access this if you have payroll for your clients, and you can learn more about their features and pricing there. What was the last thing? Oh, the last thing I did want to talk to you about is that I think, you know, and their intentions are good here. I think to encourage people to separate their business finances from their personal finances, you also get a personal account for free. So in order to switch between the two, you see how there's the little caret next to the Common Sense name here. You would just click that and click personal. I don't have anything set up over on this side, so it's probably going to give me a little bit of error messages. But, you know, same deal here. You would be able to, you know, you have a dashboard, and you have a dashboard. You would be able to also do budget, see your net worth and everything within this particular dashboard. Also, on this side of the fence, you also have access to receipts and reports. And the only other difference is that you also have an investments area where you can track your investments if you would like to track them here. So, I mean, that's the quick overview of Wave Accounting. To be free, I think it is a decent little piece of software, and it's worth checking out. If you have any questions about Wave apps or Wave Accounting, again, pop them in the comment section below, or in the comment section with the blog post at thecommonsense.com. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, or if you have suggestions for me, subscribe to my channel, shoot me a quick note. If you aren't already on my email list, then pop on over and join the 2 Cents email list by going to thecommonsense.com/2 cents and get on the email list. So until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.